It's time to craft. Let's go. Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So today I am participating in a collaboration with my girl Philicia over at BOK Media Life. And today we are to create neutral Easter decor. So I am excited about these three projects that I created. I think they turned out super cute and I hope that you feel the same way. I will give you more information about Philicia in a few minutes. But first, let's get into this first DIY. As you can see, I am removing the embellishments from the front sides of these bunnies that were purchased at the Dollar Tree. These are their signs that they come out with almost annually. And I am now applying a coat of that Waverly brand chalk paint to the front side, and then I use some of that Eileen's tacky glue from the Dollar Tree and just put it on top of that, spread it across the top side of the bunny, because we are going to take some cotton that I took out of my daughter's pillow, hide your pillows, and put it on the front side. This is going to represent the fur that you can find on the bunnies, and a lot of stuff that I had to do off camera because of the positioning of my camera, but nevertheless you will see how it turned out in the reveal. But I am just trimming off some of the excess cotton that was around the sign itself, just so it could take the form of the bunny. And I will do the same thing to both sides because we are creating a tiered tray using these bunnies or storage containers, whatever you want to call it, guys. And then off camera, I had taken some of these the wooden boxes and stained them off camera. And then now I am just putting one bunny on one side, another bunny on the other side. I did end up embellishing the bunnies, and you will see how that turned out in the reveal. But all I'm trying to do is just gather placement for these bunnies because I really think this turned out cute. You guys got to let me know what you think. I did take some of that cashew color paint and I just used my hand to spread over the top part of the bunny. And now let's talk about my girl Philicia, the lamp queen. We've coined her, we being the Fab Five ladies, coined her the lamp queen because she makes beautiful lamps. And Philicia has recently started a channel, BOK Media Food Freaks. You want to check out those channels. But here is one of the lamps. When I say high-end DIYs, I am not lying to you. I have no reason to. I would not dare lie about someone as talented as Philicia. You can see from the clips above how high-end her projects look. And then here's her pizza. And she has other foods on her channels. You got to check it out. She's recently collaborated with Keisha, the stylist, and made beautiful fashion designs, to which I purchased. So check out Philicia, guys. And then now we're heading into DIY number 2. And I am basically taking that cutting board that you can find at the Dollar Tree, and I am painting over it using some of the Waverly brand chalk paint in the color white. These last two projects are going to go really quick. They are super easy, but in this DIY, as you can see, I am just blowing it dry, making sure that it has good coverage. I will be painting both sides of this cutting board, and these cutting boards stay in stock at all of my Dollar Trees. So you shouldn't have any problems finding these if you decide you want to recreate this project. So guys, while you watch me do this, I just want to remind you that this is a collaboration wherein we are to create neutral decor. And also I want to remind you, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. So as you can see, I've painted over the word welcome. I am getting ready to glue that down. And then I'm taking some of these little bunnies that come in a pack at the Dollar Tree. I think these are so cute. And I have a bunny, 5 bunnies I think fit on this going horizontal. And I think this turned out cute. And now we're moving into DIY number 3, I'm sorry, number 3. I have this wooden chick here. I think it's so cute as is. And I've, getting ready to do a 2-tone chick using that Waverly brand chalk paint in the color white. As you can see, my lines are pretty crisp. I like that. I left the bottom portion in its natural state. And guys, here we are at the reveal. I think this turned out super cute. This is my tier tray. And I just styled it with some of the flowers in the middle. And look at my little bunny bows. They're so cute. It's cute. I think this turned out super cute. I'm very proud of this piece. If I had to do it over, I probably would have painted the bunnies a different color, but nevertheless, this turned out cute. And then here's DIY number 2. Very simple, very clean, no distressing, which is something that I enjoy doing, distressing my projects. But nevertheless, this is very pretty. Like I said, very clean. Look at those little bunnies with their little tails. And then we're moving into DIY number 3. Look at the little 2-tone chick. So cute. I absolutely loved all these projects, and I hope that you did too. And guys, also I want to remind you again that this is a part of a collaboration, a Neutral Easter Decor collaboration with my girl Philicia over at BOK Media Life. So please make sure you go and check her out. And here's all 3 of the projects styled together. And while you checking out Felicia's channel, make sure that you've already hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my uploads. And until the next DIY, bye for now.